Seems legit.
Good morning, Legitimates. Welcome back to yet again another unboxing video. I have decided that I will pretty much do these when I get any kind of bulk stuff from websites, or like if a few single packages come in a day, we're going to do that one. So this is from MereZen, which is in Victoria. I'm actually pretty excited. I got this last night, like right after I got into my pajamas for the day. So I'm up, I've showered, and now I'm like, okay, we'll skip the makeup part and just go straight to the unboxing. These are my zipper scissors. I am not using my sewing scissors, although they are sharp enough to still cut fabric, which is very nice. Now you can tell by the shape that there's some kind of fabric. Again, I don't know what's in here. I love this one. Be my favorite. Ooh, cool. So this is waterproof canvas. This is like if the two waterproof canvases that I had a baby. So it's got the same top layer as my thin stuff, and then it's got the rubber backing like my thick stuff. That could be very interesting, and it kind of feels in between the two thicknesses. And it's green. Of course it's green. Everything I have is green. I like the feel of that. That should be interesting to play with. Alright. And then, I mean, there's more. Don't get too excited. We're not going yet. Do you want to see? I bet you do. This looks awesome. So it's got like a faux leather texture to it. How pretty. Sorry, I'm gonna sneeze. That is so pretty. So this is definitely going to be a coffin wallet set with this. The print's awesome. So that's what we got there. I believe that's 1/2 meter. Yup. It feels really nice. I like a good textured vinyl. It does feel like a faux leather. And it's like softer. I like it. I have plans. I could see that as a few bags actually. Every time I get packages, my brain goes into overdrive of all the things I could do. Ooh. Okay. We've got like a whole... Hope you love it all. I know your skulls, so catered especially for you. Aww. Right. We're going to start a wall of messages that you guys send me to be behind my machine. I just need to put up my neon sign that's way too bright and needs like a diminisher. Oh, how cool is this? This has got skulls on it. Let me open it for obvious reasons. So it's strapping. Let me make sure it's up the right way. It's strapping, so it's actually quite thick. It's not a binding, it's an actual strapping. How freaking epic is that? And then you turn it over and it does it again. So it's on both sides, it's double printed strapping. Oh, that is so pretty. Oh. You guys know I'm going to get obsessed with all this stuff now. I used to only buy things that I would sell you guys, but now that I'm not really doing the hardware and stuff anymore, I can go a little bit nuts. Oh, this one matches the vinyl. So this one has got this on it. So this will be obviously the strapping for the... no, it's upside down. My bad. Oh, that's so cool. So this is going to be the straps to the bag. We're going to do... oh, I don't even know. Maybe a coffin crossbody with a matching coffin wallet. Oh, and I've got all the things. It's on the zipper tape as well. That is the coolest printed zipper tape I think I've ever seen in my life. As usual, I will put links in the description for all of this. Oh, that's so cool. All right. Things are going to get very interesting in here. I love this. We've got more. We're not finished yet. I'm just getting sidetracked. Oh, we've got gunmetal grey with grey zipper. That's pretty. I'm not buying any more zipper tape for a while, I think, because I still have heaps. Ooh, okay, so, oh my god, is that a sandworm? Okay, so I have vinyl that's going to perfectly match this. Be careful when you open these that you lose your screws. This is like a frame for a wallet or a bag. We're definitely going to put it on a bag. But look at that. It's the sandworm. Oh, I love that. Okay, so that's going to be a different video to the other ones. What else have we got here? We've got some zipper pulls that are, I've got 2 of these. And these are Sugar Skull Girl. Again, I don't know if you can see that. There you go, that's probably the best angle. She's got a crown, so she's a queen. I love that. Very cool. So there's 2 of those. So obviously we're going to make a bag with 2 zips. Oh, and we've got, for this, there's a matching zipper. Oh no, I can feel me getting obsessed with like custom zippers. This is probably going to happen. So that's the thing as well. So they are a set. Oh, and they're on here. Wow. Talk about custom hardware. This is awesome. So these are your D-ring connectors. And then like, it's that bit up the top there. That's so clever. So I've got 2 of those. Ooh, what's in here? How cool is that? So these are, there's 4 of these. So these will be, I'm going to use them with this. Have a whole, I'm starting to form a whole plan over here. So these are strap, like rectangle rings with just a middle bit. And the middle set says bad B word. That is so cool. So they will be the D-rings for the front of the bag. Okay, so we're not going to do a coffin bag anymore. My brain's changing its mind, which is fine. There is nothing wrong with that. And there is a bad B word zipper pull as well. Oh, this is going to be so much fun. I'm so childish. I know that. But these are really cool. Okay, so we're going to put this. It's going to have a 1 zip on the outside because then it'll match. This is going to be a crossbody. And then I'm not sure. Oh, Jessie just woke up and popped in. Do you want to come say hello? Straight across the front. Look at all the pretty things Mummy just got.
That's so cute.
You want to say hello to everyone?
Hello.
Alright, we are going to go now that you're awake, and Mummy is going to go and upload this video and put all the links in the description. Alright, bye guys.